Hi friends, this is Salujang here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today the topic I am going to discuss about how to assign an IPv6 address to the Fortigate firewall, and also we are going to check the IPv6 connectivity between the source and destination in this particular firewall. So the source address 2001 colon 111 colon 1 and this is 111 colon 2. Okay, so the interface is port 1. Let us assign the IPv6 address to this port the firewall, and then let us check the connectivity between firewall 1 and 2 by pinging the IPv6 address. Okay, so now let us go to the firewall 1 and let us configure the IPv6 address. So let us go to firewall 1 and log in with the username and the password, and now I'm going to set the IPv6 address. So how to set an IPv6 address? Go to config system interface and the port is port 1, right? So you have to do edit port 1, and then from this we have to configure an IPv6 address. How to assign an IPv6 address? So the command is config IPv6, then we have to set an IPv6 address. So the command is set IP6 address 2001 colon 1111 colon 1 slash 64. So then I have to allow the ping access. I'm going to allow the check the ping connectivity between this firewall 1 and 2, right? IPv6 connectivity. So what's the command is set IP6 allow access ping. Okay, now just save the configuration, and the similar command I'm going to assign it on firewall 2 also. Okay, the IPv6 address is different, so let us assign the IPv6 address. So this is my second firewall. Login and go to config system interface, edit port 1, then I have to configure an IPv6 address in this particular physical port 1. Okay, so configure IPv6, then we have to set an IPv6 address. IP6 address 2001 colon 1111 colon 2 slash 64. Then we have to allow the ping access, right? So IP6 allow access ping. Okay, so now let us save the configuration, and now let us do a ping between the firewall 1 and 2. So first let us ping the directly connected interface, then we'll configure check the remote interface. Okay, so how to check the connectivity is execute. So for IPv4 we'll do execute ping, and for IPv6 it is execute ping 6 address 2001 ping 6 2001 colon 1111 colon 1. So I am able to reach the directly connected address. Let us ping the remote interface. Okay, colon 2. Go here and let us ping the remote address. So remote address also I am able to ping. So now let us check the connectivity from firewall 2 to firewall 1. Okay, go to firewall 2 and execute ping 6. Okay, 2001 colon 1111 colon 2. I'm able to ping the directly connected address, and also let us check the remote address. So I'm able to ping between the firewall 1 and 2 the IPv6 connectivity. So this is a way we can configure and assign IPv6 address. And for testing purpose, you have to, instead of IPv4, right? For IPv4 we'll do execute ping followed by the IPv4 address, and for IPv6 it is execute ping 6 address. Okay, execute ping 6 followed by the address. And okay, and for checking the for configuring the IPv6, the command is config IPv6 set IP6 address. So this is the way we can configure. And how to check the address list is get router info 6. For checking the IPv6 routing table, you can do like this: get router info 6 routing table. And for checking the IPv6 address, you have to do diagnose IPv6 address list. So this will show the IPv6 address what you assigned here, right? Similar way for the second firewall also you can do like this: diagnose IPv6 address list. Okay, so got it. So this is the command we have configured. Okay, configure system interface, edit port 1, then we went to config IPv6, set IP6 address and set IP6 allow access. For IPv4 what we'll do, we'll directly go to edit port 1 and we will set the set IP, right? Set IP, then we'll do set allow access. But in case of IPv6, you have to go to edit port category, then you have to configure an IPv6 address. So this is how we can configure an IPv6 address, And for testing the ping connectivity, you have to, the command is execute ping 6. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Thank you.